What's up YouTube? Samsung developer conference held yesterday and they have announced some of the new improvements in their home appliances and in software. One of the most notable things which was shown on SDC 2019 is Samsung has showcased its next foldable phone which looks similar to Samsung S10 with a punch hole camera on the top center and it is fold like a flip phone. Looking at the design itself first, it makes a lot of sense. Unfolded, the form factor matches that a regular smartphone, but the fold has the benefit of making it a half in the size and therefore far more pocketable than a regular device. The fact that it's fold with the screen inside also means it should be a lot more durable when dropped. And Samsung showed off some clever usage scenarios such as opening the phone at 90 degrees so the top half is propped up to show video. As you guys already know, Samsung Galaxy Fold is the first device from Samsung which can fold and unfold, and its two screens make the device a tablet as well as a phone. Opening the Galaxy Fold make it a tablet, and when we close it, it's become a smart compact and the second screen turns on. So Samsung is the first company which is really pushing the limits and making foldable phones possible. Samsung also announced One UI 2 which further enhanced software interaction with Samsung devices. Since the introduction of One UI, the interaction of the device is more convenient, and now one of the key aim of One UI 2 is the further enhancement the user interface by slimming down incoming notification, pop-up and UI elements like volume HUD. In addition, Samsung took its one-handed usability approach even further by making all first-party apps display their interaction area in the bottom half of the screen. This also has been carried out to the foldables where apps are now placed in lower half of the screen. A new system level dark mode is also introduced now with support for even more apps and UX elements, more hearing and visibility enhancement that can be customized based on the user needs. There are also a new high contrast keyboard with more defined letters and color combination. Apps like contacts and messages have received more vibrant color so they are easier to notice. On the audio side, there is also a new option that can amplify your surrounding ambient sound. Digital well-being has been overhauled with added screen time management and focus mode. Samsung also make improvement in knock security and also make improvement in their Samsung app for their home appliances. So that is pretty much it. If you like this video, a sub will be massively appreciated. Thanks for watching and I will meet you in the next one. Peace.